Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change facial expressions on CapCut PC. So first of all, select your photo and you're going to go to the AI stylize section. Select AI style and select expressions, and here's where you can change the facial expression. There is the sad one, there is the dimple laugh, that's scary. There's this chuckle smile, poker face, and smile face. These look scary kind of because she's looking up, but that's how you can change facial expressions on a person on CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!